Hello all, welcome back to our channel. So this is a just last minute revision ma. So in detail we will not discuss anything. Whatever the chapters you are having, just we will highlight the main points. So I have recorded a student voice call whichever I have explained to him, so that I am just applying that recording here, so that whatever I have said to him, so it will be helpful to you all. Okay, so it will be a quick revision for you also. Just simply without close your books and just listen this video, it will be enough. Okay, in income from salaries you open that pro forma.
Okay.
Okay, in pro forma totally four side headings you will have mainly.
Yes.
The first one
Salary
is
allowance.
salary, second one allowances, third
Okay.
one perquisites, and fourth one is deductions.
Okay.
In deductions you will have three deductions ma.
Okay.
Standard deduction, entertainment allowance, and
Mm-hmm.
professional tax.
Okay.
Standard deduction, every question 50,000 you need to do.
Okay, madam.
Professional tax, if they have given means you need to add it there.
Mm-hmm.
If they are not given means zero. And
Okay.
in the question, if they have mentioned it as a public government employee, for example, Mr. A is working in a public sector,
Mm-hmm.
or else if he is working in a government employee, then we
Okay.
need to calculate entertainment allowance under deduction also if they have not given.
Okay.
In deductions you will have entertainment allowance, no?
Yes.
Every question you need to do for government employees, if they have not given we need to calculate it.
Okay, madam.
Okay, and
Okay.
salaries thing, for example, bonus, basic pay, commission, whatever related to the salaries, arrears of salaries, advance of
Mm-hmm.
salaries, you need to enter into the under salaries.
Salaries.
Next,
Okay.
allowance, if you are finding dearance allowance, DA means dearance allowance,
Okay. Okay.
and house rent allowance,
Mm-hmm.
entertainment allowance, like that, if you are finding any allowance, you need
Mm-hmm.
to enter that amount in the allowance side.
Available. Available.
Per,
Okay.
if they have given per month, you need to convert into per year.
Mm-hmm.
And next you are having perquisites. Perquisites is nothing but what are the sectors it will come means personal related. For
Mm.
example, rent free accommodation. Okay, rent is
Okay.
for personal. And
Mm-hmm.
salary to domestic servant. Domestic servant is nothing but
Government.
uh,
Mm-hmm.
personal thing.
Mm-hmm.
And
Okay.
electricity bill, club bill,
Mm-hmm.
this type of things it will come in perquisites. Okay,
Okay.
so you need to add it everything, and you need to minus all the deductions, that is the pro forma.
Okay,
Got
madam.
it? In the
Okay.
question, if they have given small car,
Mm-hmm. You
okay,
have to take
if they have given
1800.
small car, we need to take 1800. If in
Mm-hmm.
case if they have asking big car means 2400.
Mm.
Got
That.
it? This is the
Okay.
first adjustment. Okay, they will not give
Okay.
amount, we need to consider it as a 1800 per month for small car,
Okay.
2400 per month for big car.
Okay, madam.
And if they have given any, for example, Mr. A,
Mm-hmm.
Mr. A is having a house rent allowance, sorry, children hostel allowance,
Mm-hmm.
2000 for two children they are asking, saying
Yes.
that time we need to do discount also. So every
Okay.
month 300 discount we will get for each child.
Mm-hmm.
How many children they have said? Two children.
Two.
Per
Mm.
month 300 means per year you need to convert 300 into 12.
Okay,
Okay,
madam.
how many to two children, so into 2 you need to do.
Okay, madam.
Means out of the
660.
2000, out of
Mm.
this amount, this amount
Mm.
is discounted.
Okay, madam.
Okay, so same like we are having a relief fund, like that type of thing.
Okay.
And in case of education allowance means per month 100. In case of
Mm-hmm.
hostel means 300. This
Okay.
three only you need to remember in unit number 2.
Okay,
And
madam.
in public sector, if he is mentioning a public sector government employee, but he
Mm-hmm.
didn't give entertainment allowance for deductions.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, normally if they have given entertainment allowance means we need to enter that amount in the allowances side.
Okay, madam.
Okay, what they will give in some questions, if you will find entertainment allowance deductions 5000, like that means entertainment
Yes.
allowance we need to write it in the allowances side.
Mm-hmm.
Deductions 5000 you need to write under the deductions. If not
Okay.
given means we need to calculate. How we
Okay.
will calculate means, first point is 20% of salary we will do.
Yes.
Salary is nothing but basic pay.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, so that 20% we will do. Second one is actual entertainment allowance, how much they have given.
Mm-hmm.
And the third one is default 5000.
Mm.
Out of these 3 points, whichever is the lowest amount you are having, that you need to take under the deductions.
Okay, madam.
mostly 5,000 only it will be.
Okay, madam.
Only for, we need to calculate only for public sector. If he says it is a private employee, if they
Hmm.
have given means you enter, otherwise zero.
Okay, madam.
In second unit again I'm saying just by heart the proforma. For proforma only 8 to 9 marks will be allotted.
Okay, madam.
Okay. And coming back to the fifth chapter,
Hmm.
capital gains you will have, that is 13th a question.
Okay.
Okay. So in 13th a question, what is the pro forma you are having? Sale consideration minus selling expenses. If you do sale consideration, nothing good. For example, I have buy a new house in the year
Hmm.
2000. I have
Okay.
sold it for 10 lakhs in 2020. How much
Hmm.
I have sold? 20 lakhs.
20 lakhs.
Huh? That amount is called as sales consideration.
Okay.
From that, if they have given any selling expenses, means we need to deduct it.
Okay, madam.
Then you will get net consideration.
Hmm.
Okay. In net consideration, you will have two formulas. First formula is index cost of acquisition.
Hmm.
Second one is index cost of improvement.
Acha.
These two formulas you need to write it. Index cost of acquisition formula FMV into CII of year of transfer divided by 2001 to 2002. For example,
Hmm.
FMV they have given 1 lakh.
Yes.
How, in which year I have sold? 2020.
Good.
In
Hmm.
question they will sell CII, that is cost price interchange, or CII of year of 2020. You need to take that amount 289 or 317, somewhat they will give in the question.
Hmm.
So one FMV is 1 lakh. 1 lakh into 289 divided by 100, default 100,
Hmm.
for index cost of acquisition.
Okay.
You need to remember these two formulas in fifth unit, then only you will get it. Remaining all same. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, then you will get index cost of acquisition. You need to deduct that amount from net consideration.
Hmm.
After that, in this is the basic and default for every question. If in case in the question, if they have mentioned any improvement, for example, I have bought that house, I have purchased that house in the year 20,000. In
Hmm.
2005, I made a renovation or alteration to that building. For example, additional floor I have done. Like that,
Hmm.
if they are mentioning in the question, means we need to do index cost of improvement also.
Okay.
If it is not mentioned, means no need of doing that.
Hmm.
Okay. What is the formula of index cost of improvement is cost of improvement into in which
Hmm.
year I have sold, that CII number, divided
Okay.
by in which year I have made the alteration, 2005.
Hmm.
In 2005, what is the CII number? They will only give.
Okay.
Okay. In divided by you need to do that amount, you need to
Hmm.
deduct it from the net consideration. So index
Okay.
cost of acquisition, index cost of improvement, amounts you need to deduct from net consideration, you will get
Okay.
capital gain.
Okay, madam.
Okay. If you have till remember till this time, till here means you will absolutely score half of the marks. And if
Okay.
in case remaining half marks means, if in case they have mentioned anything like, for example, after selling the house, I have invested 5 lakhs in national bonds and I have purchased a new house, that time we need to
Hmm.
do exemptions under section 54.
Acha.
Okay. So for example, here some in the questions only, you if you will find they have said 5 lakhs for NHAI bonds. Then
Hmm.
we need to do the working part. First is how
Okay.
much is we are investing in bonds? 5 lakhs.
5 lakhs.
Second is default 50 lakhs.
Hmm.
Whichever is the least, 5 lakhs is the
5
least.
lakhs.
Then you
Hmm.
need to take that least amount and you need to deduct that amount from capital gain.
Okay.
Okay. Next, if he is mentioning that purchase of new house,
Hmm.
after selling the new house, he is putting the amount for the new house purchases, then you need to do in exemptions under section 54.
Hmm.
Okay.
Okay.
How much he is investing in the new house? For example, 12 lakhs.
Hmm.
Okay. Second point, how much capital gain we have got in the question after doing that? That is the thing you need to do. Out of
Okay.
these two, what is the least amount? You need to take it as a exemptions under section 54.
Okay.
Okay. Roughly I'm saying, after this, once you look into that, okay, in
Okay,
after
madam.
completing GST also you will have, no, in GST that 7 screens you have you learned.
Yes.
Are you having that 7 screens or not?
वो बुक में है मैडम.
book में है. As that 7 screens at any cost you need to draw it. Okay, the 10 questions I have sent you or not.
हाँ
10
send in
questions.
the group.
That 10 questions you learn. Okay,
Okay.
and prepare first unit and second unit and fifth unit in income tax now.
First, second, fifth.
Fifth completed, no? So
Okay.
just to have a look into the questions. First
Hmm.
already you have completed, no?
Yes.
Second, in each question what they are saying, okay, whether they are doing anything or not, you just see. Working
Hmm.
notes is not that much important for second unit. Whatever we are doing, that 1800 into 12
Hmm.
we are converting, you know, that was only called working notes. And in fifth chapter also there is not at all having any working notes. Okay,
Okay.
and tax liability is nothing but, if they are asking tax liability to do in fifth unit means
Hmm.
after doing capital gain,
Hmm.
okay, whatever the answer we are getting, that you need to keep it there. Okay,
Okay.
next dabba mein, in
Hmm.
that minus 2,50,000, that is basic exemption.
Hmm.
Okay, basic exemption government is providing 2,50,000 for all thing. If you
Okay.
minus means that amount is called taxable income.
Okay.
Okay, so for that we need to pay tax. In that rebate 12,500 default,
Hmm.
you need to minus it, and whatever the amount you are getting from that you need to deduct health and education as 4%.
Okay.
Okay, so this is also you are having in fifth unit, so
Hmm.
just have a look of that.
Hope everybody got understood about the income tax revision, and all the very best for your examination of today's. And after completing the examination, how you were written, don't forget to comment down in the comment section. See you all in the next video. Bye bye, students.